Hey guys, so I've been sent a couple of things from Liquid. We've got this and this, so let's get them unboxed. So in the first box there is a Liquid wallet. In here we've got a Liquid keycaddy. Oh, and they've also sent me this very sleek looking 32GB USB. Cool, so we'll start with the keycaddy, I guess. Got a little coin, I'm guessing that's to help open it up. It's an Australian 5, so it comes with some instructions and the keycaddy itself, which is very nice because of the carbon fibre. Nice. It comes with 2 little screws. I will put that together with the keys and show you guys shortly, but let's open up the wallet. So again, I can see it's got a carbon fibre touch, which is very sleek. Looks really nice. I'm a big fan of carbon fibre. Looks really, really good. And at the back is a set of instructions, and then the box also has this. So I've not used anything like this before, so it'll be pretty interesting to see how it gets put together. I'm sure it's quite simple, there's instructions anyway. I will go have a play with that, but let's just skip this editing right to the finished product. Turns out that I didn't need to look at the instructions because it was actually really, really easy. All I had to do was unscrew these bits here and attach the keys and then put it back together again. So really, really simple. It's definitely a lot better than having a bunch of keys on a chain, and it's just clean and minimal. And you can have quite a lot of keys on here. I only have 2 just because I don't have a lot of keys. They're really easy to take out, just slide it out like so. And if you're wondering, does this get in the way when you're putting the key in the door? It doesn't, it works absolutely fine. There's no issues with it. So yeah, it's a really clean solution and it looks good. So this is the Liquid wallet. Obviously, I've got a Nando's card. So yeah, it fits quite a lot of cards and it's definitely very, very secure. This is very tight. And it's not actually very difficult to take the cards out either. You can literally just slide them out. But they're secure, so you don't have to worry about them dropping. So I'm not actually using this side, but you can actually put your keys in there too. So instead of having the keycaddy separate, you can actually use just the Liquid wallet for your keys and your cards, just so you only have to carry one thing when you go out. So yeah, it's very, very sleek. Love the carbon fibre, it looks really, really good. It feels very durable. You can definitely tell it's not cheap. It's got an aluminium body and obviously it's got the carbon fibre too. I don't have my keys in this. I think I am going to use both just because I have them, and they're both very lightweight anyway thanks to the carbon fibre, so it's not a big deal. I just want to say thank you again to Liquid for sending me the keycaddy and the wallet. Really appreciate it, love them. I used to have my keys on a lanyard, but I think I will be sticking to this because it's a much cleaner solution. It's minimal, looks good, and you can't go wrong with carbon fibre. So yeah, carbon fibre for the win.